Hello friends, today in chapter 2 polynomials, we will study relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomials. So we know that the zero means for any value of x, polynomial value becomes 0. That is, the value of x is said to be 0 of a polynomial. And so first we will study about linear equation. So linear polynomial. So we have studied that px equals to ax plus b, where a not equals to 0. Type equation which has the degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Now for its 0, we take px equals to 0, then ax plus b equals to 0. So x equals to minus b upon a. So x equals to minus b upon a is the 0 of polynomial of x, and it is 0 of polynomial of x. So we will see here, we write x equals to minus b. So b is a constant term, so we can write that constant term upon a means the coefficient of x, and so we can write coefficient of x. So for any polynomial sum of the 0 of the linear polynomial, we can write constant term upon coefficient of x. So for suppose it is given that px equals to 3x minus 5. Then what is its 0? So without taking this process, directly we can write x is equals to minus b upon a. So compare with that ax plus b to 3x minus 5, then a equals to 3, b equals to minus 5. Now according to this formula we submit the value. So minus of minus 5 upon 3, and so it is 5 by 3. One more example, suppose we are given that px is equals to x plus 7. Then we compare with ax equals to ax plus b. Then we can see that here x coefficient is 1, so a equals to 1. Constant term is 7, so b is equals to 7, and so x is equals to is 0 will be minus b upon a, that is means minus of 7 upon 1, and so answer will be minus 7. Now let's see for the quadratic equation px equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equals to 0. So we have studied that quadratic equation has at most 2 zeros, means let alpha and beta are zeros of px. So already we have studied in the 9th standard if alpha and beta are zeros of px, then by factor theorem we can write that x minus alpha and x minus beta are factors of px, and so we can write that px is equals to k is some constant multiply x minus alpha, x minus beta. So these two brackets we multiply, then we get k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now px is ax square plus bx plus c. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to kx square minus k alpha plus beta x plus k alpha beta. Both the side we compare, then a equals to we have k b equals to minus k alpha plus beta and c is equals to k alpha beta. So here b equals to minus k alpha plus beta. So we can write that alpha plus beta equals to b by minus k, but k is equals to a, and so we can write that minus b by a. So this shows us that the minus b is the coefficient, b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. So we can write that coefficient of x minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, while alpha beta equals to k alpha beta is equals to c. So alpha beta equals to c by k. C by k, that is means c is the constant term and k is equals to a. So c by a. So constant term upon a means coefficient of x square. And so for any polynomial, alpha into beta equals to c by a, where constant term upon coefficient of x square. Now alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial and it is in the addition form. So we can write that sum of zeros of polynomial is equals to minus b by a is equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, while here alpha into beta it is in the product form. So we can write that product of zeros is equals to c by a, where c is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. So we have seen that alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a is equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, and product of 0 alpha beta, this is sum of 0, product of zeros is equals to alpha beta equals to c by a, where c is the constant term. So constant term upon coefficient of x square. Suppose we are given one polynomial px equals to x square plus 7x plus 12, and the question is that find its zeros. Find its zeros and sum of 0, product of 0, and verify. So now we are given px equals to x square plus 7x plus 12. Now here say that find its zeros. So to find out zeros we have to take x square plus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic polynomial, so it's to find out its zero we have to factorize by splitting method, and 12 factors are 3 4, whose addition is 7, and so its factors are x plus 3, x plus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 4 is equals to 0. Here x plus 3 into x plus 4 equals to 0. So two terms product is 0, so any one we can take 0. So x plus 3 0 take, then x equals to minus 3 Then x plus 4 equals to 0 we take, then x equals to minus 4. Now we have the two zeros, minus 3 and minus 4, so its sum of 0 we can take minus 3 plus minus 4 equals to minus 1, and product of 0 we can take minus 3 into minus 4 equals to 12. Now by this formula we write the sum of 0. So for that we compare x square plus 7x plus 12 with ax square plus bx plus c, and a equals to 1, b equals to 7, c equals to 12. So alpha plus beta sum of 0 is equal to minus b upon a, so minus of 7 upon 1 means minus 7. Alpha beta is equal to c upon a, means 12 upon 1 is equal to 12. So we can say that both the way we are getting the same answer. Let's we see one more sum. If px is equals to 3x square minus 7x minus 6, then find its zeros. Sum of zeros and product of 0. Now here it is not said that the verify it. So verify it not said, so directly sum of 0, product of 0 we can write. So sum of 0 and product of 0 we want to write down. Before that, here said that find the zeros, so we will find out zeros. 3x square minus 7x minus 6. So 3x for the zeros we take is equals to 0. Px is equals to 0, then 3x square minus 7x minus 6 equals to 0. And so we factorize 3 6 are 18. So 9 2s are. So factors are 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. So 3x common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3 equals to 0. So x minus 3, 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now if you don't want to do this long method, then on side we can write directly also 3x square by minus 9x, 3x square by plus 2x. Simplify, then we can get two factors, x minus 3, 3x plus 2. And so here two factors product is 0, so one of them is 0. So if we take x minus 3 equals to 0 or 3x plus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to 3 or x equals to minus 2 by 3. Now here it is not mentioned that verify it, so directly we can find out sum of zeros with the formula, and that we know now minus b upon a. So from here minus b, so we write that a equals to 3, b equals to minus 7, c equals to minus 6. So minus b upon a, so minus of minus 7 upon 3, so 7 by 3, and product of 0 we can write c upon a. So c value is the minus 6 and a value is the 3. So minus 6 upon 3, that is minus 2. Some add them, then also we can get answer like 3 plus minus 2 by 3. And so it will be LCM we take, then 9 minus 2 by 3, that will be 7 by 3, and alpha beta 3 into minus 2 by 3, 3 3 third, then minus 2. Now if we have question that sum of 0 is equals to 5 and product of 0 equals to 2 by 3, then write the polynomial. So we know that now px general form is equals to what? K into x square minus sum of 0 means alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So here alpha sum of 0 means alpha plus beta value is given 5 and the product of 0 is given 2 by 3. Then we submit it. Then our polynomial will be x square minus 5x plus 2 by 3. Suppose one more example we take, that it is given that alpha plus beta equals to 0 and alpha beta equals to 3. Then we can write the polynomial again with this. Then our general form is k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Then its value we submit, then k x square minus 0x plus 3, and so it will be k x square minus 3. Now we see about cubic polynomial px equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equals to 0. So again we know that for the cubic polynomial at most 3 zeros, and so alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of px. And by factor theorem we can write that px equals to k x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, as x minus alpha, beta, x minus beta and x minus gamma are factors of px. So here we simplify this form, then we get that x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus alpha beta gamma. We compare this format with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then a equals to k, b equals to minus k alpha plus beta plus gamma, c equals to k alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and d equals to minus k alpha beta gamma. So from here we can write that alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to b by minus k, that is minus b upon a. So we can see that minus b is the coefficient of x square. So minus of coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Here we can write that alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equals to c by k, that is c by a, means coefficient of c means it is the coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, and alpha beta gamma equals to d by minus k, that is minus d upon a. So constant term upon coefficient of x cube. So again we can see the alpha plus beta plus gamma, it is called sum of 0, and sum of 0 is equals to minus b upon a, where for the cubic polynomial it is coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Now here we can see that two zeros are taken at a time and its product is there. So we can say that sum of two zeros product taken at a time. So it will be alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Its value is c by a, where c is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x cube, and alpha beta gamma means the product of two zeros for the cubic polynomial can be given by minus of constant term upon coefficient of x cube. So if we are given that px equals to 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x plus 8, and write its sum of 0 means alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of two zeros product at a time. So that we have to write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha and alpha beta gamma means its product. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, that we already seen minus b upon a, we compare with this, and minus of minus 2 upon 3, and so it is 2 by 3. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha means product c upon a. So c value is the 7 and a value is 3, so it is 7 by 3. And alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d upon a, so minus 8 upon 3. Now suppose it is given px equals to x square minus 4, and what is sum of 0 and what is product of 0. So here we can write into the standard form x square. Now x term is not there, so 0x minus 4, then a equals to 1, b equals to 0, c equals to minus 4. And so alpha plus beta, as it is quadratic polynomial, 2 zeros, so alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a, which will be 0 upon 1, so 0, and alpha into beta equals to c upon a, so minus 4 upon 1, so minus 4.